Hi guys, I just thought I'd go through some of the flashlights that I have in use. I'll start with probably the cheapest and probably the easiest one to get, which is just a general purpose 28 LED super bright flashlight. This runs on AAA batteries. It is very cheap to purchase. I got this one on eBay from Hong Kong probably about 3 years ago for about $8. 3 AAA batteries into a cartridge like that. Slides in, and just a normal tail cap with a push button. And for up close, anything within I'd say 10 feet of where you're standing, this is really good. It is really cheap. They are just standard super bright LEDs. As you see, it is still quite bright. These batteries are new. But it simply only has on and off. It doesn't do anything else. So it's 28 super bright LEDs for as little as, I paid $8 Australian, and I think it was maybe about $5 postage and handling from Hong Kong to Australia. There is a ton of these available on eBay and various other websites, just for having in your pack for using around the camp. It is quite good. So let's that one out of the way. Now, over the years, the police, military and private security industry have always used Maglite. So Maglites are all over the world. They were one of the world's most popular flashlights you could get. This is, I think it's a 4C, as you saw. It's got a normal incandescent bulb in it, and I just use this around the house nowadays. Flashlights have the spot and floodlight, as you can see, but in the law enforcement industry we carry these almost as a backup impact weapon, because if someone gets hit with this, they're not going to get back up. But nowadays a lot of these Maglites have been replaced with these smaller, more portable, a lot stronger, higher intensity light. I mean, these small ones, they're absolutely fantastic compared to these, but in a fight I'd have this any day. Problem is, it can also be used against you. The smaller versions of the Maglites, 2 AA batteries go into these. The silver one I converted to LED. It's got 3 super bright LEDs in it, and the black one, which is fairly new, I bought this quite cheap. It's still got the old incandescent bulb in it. I don't use them anymore. Simple reason, the batteries I buy for these actually go into a couple of my other flashlights. Even the LED adapter in the head of this is actually not that good. So if you think about converting one of those small mini Maglites to LED, save your money and buy something else. Now, a name that everyone loves, Surefire. This is the G2, and this is the old incandescent bulb. Takes 2 CR123 batteries, which are expensive depending on where you go. Very bright light, but problem is, run time on this is about 60 minutes. They are waterproof. High impact nitrile plastic. I've got all the information written here just so I can remember it. 65 lumen output for these. You can spot someone running through the bushes 200 feet away. I will be testing these later on tonight when it's dark, and I'll edit that footage onto the end of this. I was going to buy an LED head for this, but for the price it worked out cheaper to just buy an LED replacement, a full body replacement. So that's what this one is. Again, it takes the same size batteries and the same number, 2 CR123s. The thing is, incandescent bulb puts out a yellowish light, the LED puts out a white light. You can see the difference there. Now, the incandescent bulb is 60-minute runtime, that's 65 lumens. The LED is 12 hours runtime at 80 lumens. Doesn't look like much here, but we'll see the difference tonight. So just converting over to LED, you're adding another 11 hours to your battery life, and also you're increasing your lumen output by about 15 lumens. What one's next? Oh yeah, my LED lenser. Now remember the cartridge, it took the 3 AAA batteries for this? Well, I've got another one. LED lenser, a German company that produced some absolutely fantastic flashlights. And I'm a convert, and from the minute I bought this about 3 years ago, it cost me 80 Australian dollars at the time. Oh, one thing I forgot to show you, hold on. The actual connections inside are actually gold plated. That makes the transfer of energy much more efficient. Again, this is a tail cap button. It's waterproof. And it's 80 lumens. What was this one? It was 80 as well, wasn't it? Yep. The Surefire LED, Cree LED, is the same as this, and they're both 80 lumens. The thing is, you notice how the light of this has got a concentrated hot spot and a wide beam.